This song sucks. I used to play it on repeat.
Back in point.
Back when I was you and me.
And hop.
Had a pretty little shiny. This song sucks. Used to get me in the feet.
Back in point.
I've been doing the deed.
And hop.
Now I don't feel a single
Back
thing.
all quarter turn.
Catchy little
And rock.
melody.
Back in
But
point.
I remember what you did to me.
Get that left
Hate
shoulder.
that it's still stuck.
And guess what? That's a 3 o'clock ball.
'Cause this song
16. Now, do your rock. Game plaza. Restart.
This song
1,
sucks.
2, 3, 4.
You used to sing me every line.
Back in point.
But it was
Grind
just
quarter. And hop.
nothing but a waste of time. This song sucks. Yeah, you left me in the dust. I'm lucky that I'm tough.
Left shoulder.
Now I don't really give up. Catchy little melody.
Back
But
in
I
point.
remember what you did to me.
Grind.
I hate that it's still stuck.
Hey, here comes your second restart with your touch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 touch. I know, that's a tough one. Back and forth. Grind quarter. Guess what? We're gonna get rid of them. 4 count tag. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2.
A catchy little melody.
Back and
But
forth.
I remember what you did
Grind
to
a
me.
quarter. And hop.
I hate that it's still stuck.
This side, red the time and go. Charleston. Rock to the right. Step please. Here we go. Dorothy. Big slide, right to fire. Charleston. Lock step, rock to the right. Looking good. Last 8 hands. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, wall 3. Looking good. Dorothy. Big slide, right the fire. Beautiful. Charleston. Rock to the right. Last 8 to go. Start again. Dorothy. Right the fire. Charleston. Quick lock. Rock to the right. Step flick. Here we go. You know what's coming. Break the fire. Charleston. Ready to restart. Beautiful. Dorothy. Break the fire. Charleston. Restart. Dorothy. Big slide, break the fire. Charleston. Restart again, last time. Dorothy. Break the fire. Charleston. Here's your finish. Yes, beautiful. Good job.
And heel.
ball, grind, quarter, back, coaster, step, a little knee walk, two, grind, quarter, turn, drag, coaster, step, with a walk, rolling the knees out. If you just wanted to do coaster, step, walk, you don't have to do the little knee action, but it's kind of cool with the style of the music, yeah, to do that hip. From here, forward, slightly across, rocking 1 and side rock 2 and sailor with a quarter turn to the left. Behind, side, but slightly forward because I'm going to cross behind. Behind, side, cross. Watch that again. So I'm right here. I just did walk. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Right here when I step to the side, I want to make it slightly forward. So this foot knows it goes behind. 5 and 6. Behind, side, cross. A little scuff and press the right foot to the right with my knee slightly over my pinky toe out. And then I'm going to bring it back in and bring it back out. There's a little knee wobble because the music says when you have too much tequila, it makes your knees begin to wobble. Okay? All right? So forward, rock, side, rock, sailor, quarter, turn, behind, side, cross, scuff, press with the knee, and a little kick back right here on the hand count. Okay? It doesn't have to be big. It's just a little tiny lift of the back leg. Okay? One more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. If I continued in the regular choreography, I would do my vaudeville. Mambo is 7 and 8. Ball cross becomes the beginning of the dance, and instead of doing my vaudeville, I quarter turn and do 5 and 6. Mambo 7, square up and restart, and 1. 2. So either way, you're going to be doing a ball cross after your mambo. The choice is either turning to the right and restarting or going into your vaudeville. So I'm going to dance all of wall 1, wall 2, 8 counts with a restart. Wall 3 you dance, wall 4 you dance, this becomes wall 5. So now on this side, same exact thing, 8 counts, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, square up and restart, ball cross. Quarter, 3 and 4. So on this side wall, 8 counts restart. On this side wall, 8 counts restart.